Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change wiper blades on a Toyota Yaris. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a soft cloth or towel. Begin by carefully lifting the wiper arm away from the windshield. It's a good idea to place a towel on the glass beneath the arm to prevent any accidental damage if the arm springs back. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm. Be sure to maintain a good grip on the wiper arm throughout this step, as it can snap back and potentially damage your windshield if released suddenly. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once the new blade is installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Toyota Yaris. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new blades using your windshield washer fluid. This ensures they are working correctly and providing clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.